Hello, I'm Jane Horner from Purdue Extension Area 8 HHS, and it is spring, and one of our early vegetables that we have in the spring is asparagus, and I love asparagus. So today I'm going to show you how to make an easy chicken asparagus dish called garlic buttered chicken bites with lemon asparagus. And we're going to start with 3 chicken breasts cut in 1-inch cubes, and I've already done that. And then you're just going to season to taste with some pepper and some salt. And the third thing is onion powder. Now it's important, there's a big difference between onion powder and onion salt. And we've already added salt, so we want to make sure we have onion powder. And you can just season it to how you like. And then I'm just going to mix these up a little bit. And then we're going to move to the stove, and we are going to cook the chicken in a fourth of a cup of butter and a teaspoon of olive oil. A little bit of a higher heat to kind of sear them to keep those juices in. I'm turning these over as they start to cook on the one side. I'm flipping them. This could also be prepared in a wok. My pan, you see, has some curved edges on it here. You could use a regular, like 2 to 3 inch skillet to cook this meal in. And the nice thing about this, it's a one-pan dish. So after I cook my chicken here, I'm going to take it out and cook my asparagus here in the same pan and then combine it all together. So here I just about have all my pieces browned. So I'm going to lower the temperature. We've removed our chicken, and so now we're going to deglaze our skillet. And we're going to do that using, add the last teaspoon of garlic and a half a cup of chicken broth. So deglazing is where we're adding this liquid, and when you're cooking, or maybe even sometimes frying, we get little bits of meat or crust on the bottom of your pan. And so by deglazing, as I'm cooking and taking all that goodness that is cooked on the bottom of the pan and incorporating it in there. So we're going to bring this to a boil, and we're going to let it simmer till it's reduced to half. Once it reduces, then we're going to add our asparagus. So once it reduces by half, we're then going to add another fourth of a cup of butter. And we're going to create this sauce with the butter, hot sauce, like a tablespoon, and our half a lemon, the juice of a half a lemon, and a tablespoon of fresh parsley. Now if you don't have fresh parsley, you can use a teaspoon of dried parsley. I was a little hesitant about adding the hot sauce, but with the lemon juice, it's not as spicy and as hot as you think. So it really adds and makes a really nice flavor. So once you get that in there, I'm going to let my butter melt just a little bit more, and then I'm going to lay my asparagus on top of that to cook. So asparagus, you're just going to cook until the spears are tender. It's been about 3 to 4 minutes, so I'm going to add my chicken so it can warm back up and absorb some of this wonderful sauce that we've created in the pan. Just give it like a minute to kind of warm that meat back up, and then it'll be ready to serve. So there you have garlic, lemon, buttery chicken bites and asparagus. And this is a delicious meal. It'd be great served with maybe lemon poppy seed muffins and a salad. But I hope this spring you will try asparagus. It's a great vegetable to have here when it's in season with lots of great vitamins and flavor.